somewhere far beyond the warmth of Earth, floats a giant in golden light. Saturn, the planet of rings, storms, and secret. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun, a gas giant made mostly of hydrogen and helium. It's so light that if you could place it in water, it would float. The wind here rage at over 1,800 kilometers per hour. Its rotations is fast. One day on Saturn lasts about 10.5 hours. But a year takes over 29 Earth years. Saturn doesn't have a solid surface, only clouds, gases, and pressure that crushes anything that dives too deep. Look closer and you'll see patterns in its clouds. Bands of beige and gold moving like slow dance in the cold. But it's not just the planet that captures us. It's the rings. Thin, wide, elegant, and impossibly rings. Saturn's rings stretch out over 280,000 kilometers in diameter. But they're incredibly thin, often less than 10 meters thick, made of ice, dust, and rock fragments. They sparkle in sunlight like frozen tears. Some scientists believe the rings are remnants of a destroyed moon. Others think they formed from leftover material from Saturn's creation. One thing's certain, they're slowly fading. Over millions of years, they may disappear, leaving behind only stories. Saturn has over 140 known moons. Some are small and forgotten, others entire worlds. Titan is the largest, bigger than Mercury, with lakes and rivers not of water, but liquid methane and ethane. Titan has a thick orange atmosphere. It hides the surface. And yet, under that haze, there could be life. Then there's Enceladus, a frozen moon, brilliant white. It shoots water into space through icy geysers. Beneath its surface lies an ocean, warm, salty, and possibly alive. Saturn's other moons include Mimas, shaped like the Death Stars, Rhea, Tethys, Dione, Hyperion, each with its own scars, stories, and silence. In 1997, a spacecraft left Earth. Its name was Cassini. For 20 years it flew, and then for 13 years it orbited Saturn. Cassini sent back thousands of photos of rings, storms, moons, shadows. It flew south the gap between Saturn and its rings, a space no machine had ever dared enter. And in 2017, it dove into Saturn itself, burning in its atmosphere like a final whisper. Cassini gave us not just science, but wonder. Saturn remains, spinning silently, wrapped in ice and time. A giant of beauty, a master of storms, a god of rings. Look up and remember, even in the silence of space, there are stories still being told.